Is this gonna go on YouTube?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
My main nigga Adam, white boy nigga, whatever you want to call him.
I have Terrence's black card.
Oh yeah, Terrence, he stole your card. We're the only dumb motherfuckers out here on Lake Erie today in 3 to 5 foot waves. As you can tell by the way this boat is bouncing around, and we're on a 26 and a half footer, and we're being tossed around like a rag doll.
This boat's a rockin', don't come a knockin'. I had to say it.
Oh, that sounds like we're doing some gay shit out here.
So what does this mean over here? Trim.
The angle of the boat. That's where you see me moving the buttons. I'm adjusting the motor.
Okay.
It gives the boat, like, if it was calm out, I can adjust the trim up, and the boat's going to go faster through the water.
Oh, okay.
Instead of leaving the prop down. You got to know how to do all that shit.
Whatever you do, don't name this boat the Minnow.
No. Look at this shit.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, you're right, it does look like it's a little calmer as we get closer to the fucking... thing, whatever. Alright, she's calming down a little bit. Or maybe not. Yeah, go ahead. I dare you to try to get changed down there in this shit. It sucks. Alright. Are we in the brake wall yet? No, we're not.
No.
It is calmer over here, though. I lied. So you working on any of these buildings down here?
Yeah, we did that bank, that building right there, the half-shaped one.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I did one up in the warehouse district right up here. I did a bunch of them. I did Tower City.
You were on Tower City.
I was on Tower City. The old BP building when it was BP, yeah.
You guys put the original roof on it?
I don't know if it was original.
Huh. No shit, you were up on the BP. That's fucking awesome.
You might want to go left.
Left?
Yeah, out around that lighthouse right there. See that lighthouse?
Yeah.
Yeah. You keep going straight, we'll slam into the brake wall.
Ah. Well, I don't know these things. I'm not nautical. I know how to say Avassi landlubbers, and that's about it. Why do I have Gilligan's Island going through my head?
That might be a bad idea, because I think they ship some.
It's not a good idea, I'll tell you that.
I can't believe how water just throws 6,000 pounds around like it ain't shit.
Oh, yeah. Damn. Well, no matter what, we're going to beat rush hour traffic going back home.
Yeah.
Well, those motherfuckers won't. Of course, I don't think any of them are going to get fucking 40.
No, and they're off. I just talked to Adam, just texted me.
Why, did it start raining over there?
I don't know. He just said I got to go somewhere.
Like the The lighthouse guy's like, what are those morons doing out there?
Is somebody up there?
I don't know. I thought I saw someone moving. Is that a duck? No. There's something there.
Yeah, fucking duck.
What the fuck? So is this considered the break wall in here?
Once you get past here, it is. That's the break wall.
Okay. Calm down a little bit. I lied.
That's the break wall. I don't know what the fuck this is. Maybe for that lighthouse.
Oh, you know, it's probably the walkway for him. Holy shit. That was definitely a fucking adventure. I've never seen Cleveland like this.
Seriously?
Yeah. No, if I went boating, we were over up by the, not by the islands, by like Catawba and all that shit. Marblehead. So what do we do now? There's a good time, whatever.
Oh, it's out here today?
Do I have to turn, bank?
He's going straight. Go to the ring. We'll go in behind him.
Okay. Or, sorry, Nautica Queen.
There's the Nautica Queen, which I damn sure know ain't nobody on that fucker today.
I wonder how far out they go.
There are people on that boat?
Yeah, there is. Yeah. Not many. Maybe 20, 30 people.
I know you can't see because of the rain on the glass, but there are actually dumb motherfuckers hanging out on that boat like it's 90 degrees out here.
Fuck that. You know there's people probably taking videos of us right now. So go in there.
We gotta go over that way. Man, they got a dumb nigger on that boat and they're out there fucking floating. There's actual motherfuckers on that boat. You notice he ain't going nowhere fast either.
Fuck no.
They still waving?
We can get him to wave. Alright, so is that bridge down?
Yeah.
So I have to just wait for it to go up?
No, I gotta call him on the radio.
Oh. a guy out there fishing.
Dumbass. Why you saying the same thing about us?
No. Oh, there's a boat on the other side, too.
It is?
Let's see, that's the little one.